It's hard to believe we've already had our first hard freeze of the year here in Louisiana. In fact, it's the lowest recorded temperatures since 1907. So we're here in this area where you can see we had, I don't know if you can tell from this, but this was angel's trumpet and cassia plant, you know, tropicals that took such a bad hit. Now, we don't want to leave this up. This doesn't look so great anymore. What was beautiful 2 weeks ago is now turned to mush, but there's still hope for your plants. Now, one way to tell if your plants are still alive is to do what we call a scratch test. You want to get on a stem and scratch back the bark. Here you see no green. If you have no green, then you can just go ahead and assume that this part of the plant is dead. And you can cut back all of the dead material that you want to remove to go ahead and clear this area up. Now I can already see here some new green growth. These plants will come back from their roots. So make sure that when you make your cuts, and you know that we're going to get some more freezes, we want to get a nice mulch layer here, protect those roots. But to go ahead and clean the area up now, we can go ahead and trim back. It's our herbaceous plants and tropicals and ornamental grasses that'll suffer the most during freezing weather. Woody shrubs or woody ornamentals such as roses and other types of gardening shrubs fare a lot better during the freezing weather. Some things that you can do to help protect your plants are to mulch the root zone where the plants will come back from and water before freezing weather. For Get It Growing, this is Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.